Is Ondo Finance the next billion-dollar crypto startup you should invest in now before it explodes? Let's see what the data says. AV here, and I'm on a journey to predicting the next billion-dollar crypto. I can give you up to 5,000 times your initial investment, all by using predictive analytics. To do this, I created an algorithm to compare new crypto projects with the historical data of over 100 crypto startups valued at over $1 billion, paying special attention to the key metrics, which we'll cover in a bit. That makes it possible to spot them before they explode. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Ondo Finance. In the next 4 minutes, you will learn what is Ondo Finance's business model, what gives them an edge over their competitors, who is backing Ondo Finance, and most importantly, does Ondo Finance have the ingredients to make it the next billion-dollar crypto startup, what you can do to profit from this project. Make sure to watch the video in full to get all the information you need to know to make a good decision, and watch until the end to learn how you can get data-driven predictions on the future closing price of major cryptocurrencies 24 hours early with over 77% accuracy. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to make sure you won't miss our next review. So, let's start. First, what is Ondo Finance and what is its business model? Ondo Finance is a permissionless decentralized investment bank, service and connect various stakeholders including DAOs, institutional and mainstream retail investors through fully on-chain services. How Ondo makes money. The business model of Ondo is to intermediate and matchmake capital supply and demand, much like a traditional investment bank. Ondo traffic is growing on average 163% per month since February, with over 81,000 monthly visitors in April. The team behind Ondo Finance is exceptional. They know how to build fast, but also to create products that grow on a massive scale. The team is known to the public. The founder is Nathan Ullman. He worked at Goldman Sachs, Chain Street Capital, and Prospect Capital Management. Next, let's talk about Ondo Finance's competitive advantage. What is Ondo Finance's main competitive advantage? Their biggest advantage is their massive community. They are growing fast at a 163% month-over-month rate, and without any paid advertising, they have built a strong and supportive community of over 28,000 people on their Discord. DeFi total value locked jumped from $18 billion in 2021 to more than $210 billion in 2022, representing a 1,066% increase. But since the Luna crash, this is down to $110 billion. Convex Finance alone represents over 5% of the total value locked in DeFi right now, with over $5.2 billion in TVL. Now let's take a look at their investors. How much did Ondo raise? They raised over $20 million for their seed round 3 months after launch. On average, a seed round is only around $2 million. The investors behind Ondo are Tier 1, the best of the best. They have backed multiple, well-recognized startups and unicorns in the past. We're talking here about Panther Capital, Coinbase Ventures, and more. These investors already funded multiple crypto unicorns like Coinbase, FTX, Polygon, Uniswap, and more. How can you profit from Ondo Finance? The Ondo token public sale already took place. The token will be launched soon. Most competitors of Ondo Finance have a coin that you can purchase, like Convex and Alpaca Finance and more, the airdrop. When their token will be tradable in the future and you have been a user of the platform, you might be eligible for an airdrop. Now, here's the answer we've all been waiting for, the conclusion. Is Ondo Finance the next billion-dollar crypto startup? So first, why does it have the potential? There's a world-class team behind the project. 163% month-over-month growth. They raised money super fast. Top venture capitalists in crypto are invested. A community of over 65,000. Let's see what the data says based on our algorithm. The chance for Ondo to become a billion-dollar startup is 50%. So to conclude, I believe Ondo has all the right ingredients to become a billion-dollar unicorn in the next 5 years. When the token will officially be launched, I will be interested in investing. I hope this video answered your questions about Ondo Finance and has given you enough data to decide on your next steps. In the last year, the algorithm we developed was able to turn $1,000 into over $2 million by predicting future prices of cryptocurrencies 24 hours early. And you can get these predictions 100% for free only for the first 20 people who sign up today. Visit predier.co. Once again, thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video to see what crypto startup you can invest in 5,000 times your initial investment. See you in the next one.